Everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics by Dr. N. Rao. In this video lecture, I am going to study about the iteration method, which is also called a fixed point method. I have done number of videos on the same topic. The link you can find in the description box. Okay. So before going to the deal to solve this question, I request each and everyone subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the videos among your friend and your colleagues. Okay, and press the bell icon also to get the further notification with some awesome videos. Now come on. Now I'm going to deal with iteration method or fixed point method. Now come on, how we will solve it with the help of calculator. The given function is f of x is equals to x to the power 3 minus 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. Okay guys, in the iteration method we need to require to convert the given function to rewrite the given function f of x equals to phi of x, and there you can find a number of phi of x from the f of x. Okay, f of x equals to 0. So there is a condition to check the converging phi of x, which phi of x is suitable to converge to your solution. Okay, so there is a condition. What about the condition? Condition is that the first derivative of phi of x, modulus of this, should be less than and equals to maximum of modulus of this. Okay, should be I is the interval in which the root lie, should be less than equals to 1. Okay, if your phi of x satisfies this condition, then this phi of x is suitable first class to converging your solution. Okay, now come on, x to the power 3 minus 2x minus 5. First of all, I try to rewrite this function as x to the power 3 can be written as 2x minus 2x plus 5, right? So what about x? X can be written as 2x plus 5 to the whole power 1 by 3. Now it is written in the form x is equals to phi of x. Now we need to check is our phi of x is suitable for converging the solution. Now come on, we need to find the derivative of phi of x. So what about the derivative of phi of x? It will be 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 and 2x plus 3 to the whole power 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay, 1 by 3 minus 1 and multiply by 2. So what about this? That will be 2 by 3 and 2x plus 3 to the whole power 1 by 3 minus 1. It is a minus 2 by 3. So it is your phi dxx. Okay. Now what about this? Let me first of all, now question is that how will you type the function in your calculator? So simply I have the q of x, I will press x. Then there is a box x to the power something, box x to the power box, so press this. So you can type here x to the power 3 and then minus 2x and then minus 5. Now come on, then press calc. It is asking the value of x, so you can supply the value of x is 1, so you can find the answer, that is a negative. You can give again the value of 2, then you can find answer again negative, then press calc 3, then you can get answer positive. So it is obvious that the root at the point 2, the function is at the point 2 is negative and the function at the point 3 is positive. So it is clear the function has the opposite sign over the interval 2 to 3. So now the root lie between 2 to 3. Now it is clear here. Okay, we need to check max x belongs to 2 comma 3, first derivative of x, this. What about this? Now max x belongs to 2 comma 3, right? And 2 by 3, 2x plus 3 to the whole power minus 2 by 3, modulus of that. Okay, So to check the maximum value of this, what about that? Come on, type this. 2 divided by 3, right? Now type the function 2x plus 3 bracket close. Now for the power you can type x to the power box. So it is minus 2 by 3, right? Minus 2 divided by 3. Now it is box. Now come on, press calc. So when you press the calc, now you can supply the value here. The lowest value of x, that is 2. So what about 2? And at the point 2 you are getting the value 0 point something. So it is obviously less than 1, right? It is obviously less than 1. So for 2 it is obviously less than 1. And what about 3? So press 3 here. So you will see again the value is less than 1. So now it is clear for each and every value lie between 2 to 3, it is less than equals to 1. I think it is strictly less than 1. So now your phi of x is first class suitable to find out the converging solution. Okay, now your phi x is first class suitable. So what about your phi of x? Now phi x is as 2x plus 5 to the whole power 1 by 3. It is your phi of x. Now what about the iteration formula? We have the iteration formula as iteration formula come on, xn plus 1 is equals to phi of xn, right? That is, you can write here in place of this 2xn plus 5 to the whole power 1 by 3. And initially you can consider as, what about the initial approximation? You need to start somewhere, okay? So what about the x0? x0 is the initial approximation. So initial approximation you can consider from the interval any value, 2 to 3 any value. You can consider 2, you can consider 2.1, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, any value. It is your choice, but from the interval. So I would love to choose the value 2, right? 2. Come on. What we need to do, for the initial value x naught means we need to find x1. That is 2 x0 plus 5 to the whole power 1 by 3. So what we need to do, just simple type your phi of x here. What about your phi of x? That is 2x plus 3 and whole power is 1 divided by 3, right? Then press calc and give the value 2 as x naught. You will find the answer, that is 1.9129. I am writing here x1 as 1.91293183. Now we need to supply this value to this formula x1, then you will get x2. So then stu in x, okay, press stu in x, then go to the function with the upper arrow and then again press equal. You will get the new value of x2. So to find the sequence of approximation with the iteration formula, it is very easy. 1.8969, right? 8969, then 35259. Again stu in x and go to the function, then find the new value x3. x3 will be as 1.8939676062. Come on. Now stu in x and go to the function, and you are having here fourth iteration as, what about the fourth iteration? 1.89341526. Again stu in x and go to the function. The new value will be calculated as x5, that is 1.8933122642. again s2 in x and go to the function, then you are having here the new value x6 is 1.893293557. Then again s2 in x and go to the function, the new answer is x7. x7 will be calculated as 1.893290007. Then again s2 in x and go to the function. So next iteration is x8, that is 1.893289347. Then again s2 in x and go to the function. So you are having here x9. x9 is equals to 1.893289224. Then again s2 in x and go to the function. So you are having x10 as 1.893289202. So we are repeating here that much of number. 6 places we have repeated here. So guys, you can find your answer up to the desired accuracy. Which accuracy you need to desire. Up to that number of accurate place you can find your solutions. So this method is very helpful and very easy to manipulate and very easy to calculate with the help of calculator. So I hope you enjoyed this session. So I request each and everyone again to subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks for watching the video. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much.